Hi, Andrei from SimpleNet here. Today I'll show you how to set up a cron job in cPanel. Log into your client area, click on your hosting service, and log into cPanel. If you're using WordPress, the easiest way to set up a cron job is to go to WP Toolkit and click Take over wp-cron.php. When you activate this, a cron job is created on the server. Now, if you want to do it manually, let's do it manually, right? You need to go to Tools, back to the main cPanel page, and go to cron jobs. Okay, here's the cron job page. There are no cron jobs. We must add a new one. This is an example, right, of a command. We need to copy this and add it here as the command, but we need to put the actual path to cron. So the WordPress instance is installed in public HTML, right? Let's see here. I'll show you file manager, public HTML. These are the WordPress files and the WP cron is here, right? So it's home dash your username, SimpleNet, public HTML, and wp-cron.php. So that's the path to the file. Okay, let's go back to cron jobs. Let's copy again this one and paste. And here it's home SimpleNet, public HTML, wp-cron.php. Right, so the settings, let's say once per hour or twice per hour. And click the add new cron job. That's it. That's how you add it manually.